deserve the public trust.
Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs, and today we have a build from FANHOME. It is Build the Legendary ROBOCOP. It is issue 3. This magazine does come from France, but like I said in my last video, that I'm building this alongside with yourselves. So let's get on with this. These are our parts, so you have to excuse my voice, I have a sore throat. And let's try to see if I could take this out slowly. Remove this from the packaging. So let's work on this side first. With that we will need this bracket. Let's put that just here for now. So there is some pegs here, hopefully you could see them. Let's see if I could get a bit of a close-up. So they are on an angle that they will really go on one way. Let's see if I could try to see if I could get this. Try to see, that's the wrong way, it won't go in. And then I'm trying to see now. Let's get it. Yeah, the camera. There's a certain way these have to fold in, so it's definitely not that way. It will be this way, and it's just to literally push through. And well, that's how that one goes. Just stick that one there. And with that we will need this part now. These are metal. This is plastic. And let's just keep that for now there. This is the next part we will need. So there's just a little peg again, slots in that hole, line that up, and that's how that one goes. With that, it is a BP screw. This is plastic, so that's plastic. I think this will be quite a fast issue. You can see it's just literally one screw there. Doesn't need to be too tight at all. So let's just take this one out and then remove the packaging. So again, let's just get this lined up. So this is the left side, and see if we could get this all correct, lined up. Okay, that's it. And we are using BP screws with this build. Oh, that's the left side done. Looks pretty awesome. We have our other side. Again, just line that up. 3 more BP screws to the reverse of that. And we are done. Oh, that's how it looks. It will join up eventually, just like that. Oh yeah, really fast issue. I hope you enjoyed that, and like always, if you can hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, that would be great. Look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.